Hello viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to find a frequency and the cumulative frequency of a data. So let us look at the question on the board. The question says we should compute the frequency and the cumulative frequency of the following data using the interval of 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on. So here are the data. So before we can find the frequency and the cumulative frequency, solution. So we have, before we can find the frequency and the cumulative frequency, we have to create a table. Have to create a table like this. And from this equation, the interval to use is specified from the question: 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on. So, but the interval here is not complete, so it's less for us to find the complete interval. So before you can get the complete interval that satisfies this question, so the first one is 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. So before we can complete the interval, you have to look for the highest number in this data. So to look for the highest number, so from here now, I can say 60 is the highest here. So my interval will end at 60. So I will continue. This is 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, then 60 to 69. So from 0 to 69, this interval from 0 to 69 contains all the data here because the highest number here is 60. So I can name it as a interval, and we are asked to find the frequency. Frequency means how often the number appear between 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. So I can write my frequency here. Frequency. This is frequency. So we are going to use this data. From the data here, you look for a number that appear between 0 to 9. So let us look at our data. Use 8 appear between 0 to 9. So I can cycle this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 itself is among 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 15. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So between 0 to 9 in this data is a 15 number. So I can write my frequency between 0 to 9 is 15. So the next is 10 to 19. So 10 to 19, 16 is include. You can say 10 to 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to 19, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 number in between 10 to 19. I write down my 9. So the next is 20 to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So between 20 to 29 we have a 7 number. So between 30 to 39, 30 to 39 we have 1, 30 to 39, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30 to 39 is 7 number. So between 40 to 49 we have 40 to 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 number here. So between 50 to 59, you check, we have 50 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 to 59, we have 5 number. So the last one is 60 to 69. We have 60 here, so it's only 1 number. So we have successfully find the frequency of this number. And the next question says we should find the cumulative frequency of this same data. To find the cumulative frequency, we are going to use this frequency to find our cumulative frequency. So I can say cumulative frequency. So to find your cumulative frequency, you know the first one is 15. We have to bring this 15 down. Then you use this 15 to add. You add it to this 9. So 15 plus 9 is 24. To 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 plus 7 is 38. 38 plus 6 is 44. Then 44 plus 5 is 49. 49 plus 1